Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the physical properties of the haloalkanes. Today we will discuss about the chemical properties of haloalkanes. First of all, I would like to tell you about something haloalkanes. Haloalkanes show a variety of chemical reaction which lead to the variety of product. Almost all classes of aliphatic organic compounds can be synthesized with the help of haloalkanes. This is why haloalkanes are regarded as the valuable and versatile reagent for the preparation of large variety of organic compounds. Okay, the reactions shown by haloalkanes are of following five types. It gives first nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. And second one is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. Third one is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. Fourth one is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. And fifth one is rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction. What is a nucleophilic substitution reaction? You know, when stronger nucleophile attack to the carbon atom and liberate halogen atom in case of haloalkanes is called nucleophilic substitution reaction in case of haloalkanes. That means if the attacking nucleophile is stronger than that of halide ion, nucleophilic substitution reactions takes place and the halide ion get replaced by the stronger nucleophile. Okay? And you have already studied in first year class types of reaction and their mechanism. Once again, we will discuss about the nucleophilic substitution reaction and the mechanism. Okay, you know, nucleophilic substitution reaction are of two types. Nucleophilic substitution reaction are of two types: SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Okay, SN1 stands for unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, and SN2 stands for bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, you know why here written unimolecular, why here written bimolecular. That means in SN1, in case of SN1, in case of SN1 mechanism, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of substrate only. In case of SN1 mechanism, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to substrate only. And you know here substrate is haloalkanes. So you can write as, okay, and reduce the proportional sign. R is equal to K as a constant Rx, okay. That is why this is called unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. But in case of SN2 mechanism, the rate of reactions depend upon both the concentration of substrate and nucleophile. Both the substrate and nucleophile taking part in the rate determining step, so it is called SN2 reaction. In one book, Dr. M.P. Saini, in the book of Dr. M.P. Saini, and the percussion in M.P. Saini written that it is a second order reaction while it is a first order reaction, okay, and one not depends upon the molecularity and two not depends upon the molecularity. While in some case, some book it written 2 is equal depends, 2 stand for molecularity and 1 stand for molecularity. And you can see here the rate of reaction depend upon the only one molecule, that is substrate. So it is known as SN1 unimolecular. And in this case, you can see the rate of reaction depend on the two molecules, concentration of two molecules. One is substance, second one is nucleophile. So this stands for bimolecular, and already you have written here bimolecular and unimolecular. Okay, so don't confuse. 2 stand for bimolecular, 1 stand for unimolecular. And rate of reaction depend upon the substrate, that means only one molecular, so it is here written 1. And in this case the rate of reaction depend upon the concentration of two molecules, one is substrate and second one is nucleophile, so here written 2, and this is stand for bimolecular. Okay, now I would like to tell you the order of reactivity of haloalkanes towards the SN1 and SN2 mechanism. The order of reactivity of 1 degree haloalkane, 2 degree haloalkane, and 3 degree haloalkanes, primary haloalkanes, secondary haloalkanes and tertiary haloalkanes towards the SN1 and SN2 are as follows. Okay, see here SN1 and SN2. 3 degree alkyl halide is more reactive toward SN1 reaction at SN1 mechanism than 2 degree and then 1 degree. And this pattern reverse in case of SN2, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Clear? Always kept in your mind this sequence, you can solve many problems. Okay? Now let us see the SN1 mechanism and the reaction and the mechanism of SN1 reaction. Okay? First of all, SN1 reaction. Assembly reaction are of assembly mechanisms are of two types. In first step first. In this step, the formation of carbocation take place. Okay? In this step, the formation of carbocation is take place like this. Nucleophile, you can write here, otherwise do not write. You will form like negative. In step first, formation of carbocation takes place. In second step second. In this step, nucleophile attacks. You can write here. In this step, formation of carbocation takes place, and in this step nucleophile attacks on the carbocation to form product. Okay, to form product. You can see here. Plus nucleophile, and so by attacking and will take nucleophile. Okay, the and it is form of mixture R1 R2. Product first, product second. Okay, product first, product second. Product first and product second are the mirror structure to each other, and it is known as enantiomers to each other. Okay, because here carbocation is a planar, so it will give a mixture of DLL form of the L haloalkanes. Okay, and so it is the enantiomers to each other. Enantiomers to each other, and it will give the mixture of similar mixture of D and L form. Okay, so it is known as enantiomers of each other because carbocation is a planar. Clear? Now, in second step, we are going to study about the SN2 mechanism. In SN2 mechanism, the nucleophile attack on the carbon atom bonded with halogen atom and form a transition state. Okay, and form a transition state, and in transition state nucleophile partially attached to the carbon atom and the halogen atom partially attached to the carbon atom. So this is known as transition state, and in transition state the transition state for only 10 the power minus 8 second. Okay, let us see SN2 mechanism. This is one step mechanism. This is one step mechanism. Okay. In slowest step, nucleophile attack on here H, C and here H, X plus nucleophile. Okay, and nucleophile attack to the carbon atom and the electron displaced towards the halogen atom like this to form an intermediate state or transition state. And nucleophile attaches to the carbon atom partially and also simultaneously the halogen atom partially get reduced and both get partial negative charge. Okay, and this is a transition state, and this state only for 10 the power minus 8 second. Okay, after that it is a slow step, and once very fast the reaction inverse to each other and form nucleophile C R H H, the product. Clear? Okay. So we have studied about the nucleophilic substitution reactions and the mechanism. In next video we will discuss the nucleophile which is stronger than halogen atom, how attacks and how the halogen atom reduced by stronger nucleophile, and we will discuss only about hydroxide nucleophile, cyanide nucleophile and nitrite nucleophile. Okay, and how do these nucleophiles reduce halogen from the haloalkanes? We will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you, all the best.